Hey, Simply Sugar here. Let's get a few facts straight. I know the extreme conservative media and the right are going to run with this story, but this story needs to be broader than who this shooter was. This has to do with mental illness. This has to do with guns in the wrong hands. This has to do with stricter gun laws and protecting people, especially our most vulnerable children. What do we know about the Minneapolis school shooting? 8:30 a.m. the shooter arrives, kills an 8-year-old, a 10-year-old, injures 14 children and 3 adults in their 80s. The 23-year-old has been identified as Robin M. Westman, who is a trans individual. Now, with that said, here is a graphic of showing how many mass shootings took place in the United States. Here is a graphic with deeper demographic information. So as you can see here, about 53% are white. Black represents 20.9%, Latino 8.1%, Middle Eastern 4.2%, Native American 1.1%, LGBTQ 1.1%. So before you blame this on a particular community, this is the information at a whole. There is a problem with gun violence, and it's perpetrated 98% by males and 52% by white males. There is a problem. And if we want to talk about political violence, which is also an issue in this country, the Minnesota shootings that killed Representative Melissa Hortman and her husband and then attacked John Hoffman and his wife was a Republican, an extreme right person with those type of affiliations. If you want to talk about the gun violence against the president, the shooter Thomas Crooks, registered Republican, grazed Trump's ear with a bullet. Grazed, because there's a whole lot of issues with that in that story. This person was a registered Republican. Ryan Ruth also had Republican ties. So the political violence in this country has been by Republican white males. The overall mass shootings in this country have been by white males. We need gun control. We don't need rhetoric. We need to protect our children. That's my opinion. Let me know yours. I'm Simply Sugar.